Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore and I'm with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these trendy hand-blown glass earrings. This style is currently trending in a spring-summer collection and they're retailing for about $29, and we can make them much cheaper than that by creating them ourselves. Howcraftcollection.com is the home of Bead Gallery beads. Howcraft manufactures Bead Gallery beads. Our hand-blown glass beads come on these little tags in sets of 4. You can purchase them on an individual tag for one low price, or you can also have the option of purchasing a super bundle. A super bundle is 5 tags, which equals 20 pieces for one low price, $9.99. You have a selection of 47 different styles, shapes, or colors. These are some of the colorful hand-blown glass beads. These are some of the opaque hand-blown glass beads. Before we start, I wanted to point out that since these beads are hand blown, some of the holes may be big and the pin, even a beaded head pin, will pass right through. To fix this problem, you can add a bead cap and then just slide your head pin through and you will have no problems with the bigger holes. I always like to start out with the bottom dangle. So using a beaded head pin, I'm stringing my hand-blown glass bead, and I'm going to form a wrapped loop. So we're going to use round nose pliers. We are going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards us, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, flip it around. We're checking out our loop. And then using our chain nose pliers, we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to come in with our wire cutters. And we are just going to trim that end. And then we're going to flatten out our loop and tap that down. Now we're using an eye pin. We don't have to worry about the eye pins with the bigger holes. There's already a loop at the end, so it fills the hole. So we're going to take our hand-blown glass bead and we're going to string the bead. And we're going to bend the wire down. And I'm going to cut it this way because the bead is in the way. I'm going to trim that. And now we're going to form a simple loop. So we're just going to take it and we're going to roll the wire towards you. And we're going to open that loop. And we're going to take the bottom dangle and we are going to close the loop. Now we're using another eye pin. We're stringing our hand-blown glass bead. We're going to bend the wire down. Using our wire cutters, we trim the end. And we're going to form a simple loop. And we're just rolling the wire towards us. We're going to come back in. We're going to open that loop. Connect the earring, and close the loop. Now we're going to grab our ear wire, and ear wires are opened just like a jump ring. You just open and close it. We're going to open that loop. We're going to attach it, and we are going to close the loop. Then you have these super cute, trendy earrings. You can make them all different ways. You can mix and match the different beads. Here are some other creations that I created. This one I used antique brass wire. We have really pretty blues and greens. There are also 2 other DIYs on howcraftcollection.com. There is a design called the buoy necklace, which is created by myself. And there is the juicy bubble necklaces created by Molly Schaller. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for all your beading needs. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Subscribe at YouTube at Howcraft USA. And I hope to see you next time.